Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. So for today's vlog, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung mga ginawa namin nung Holy Week. Bali nung Good Friday, nagpunta kami sa Little Flower, Mount Carmel, sa De Rouge, BC. Doon kami nag-Stations of the Cross. Tapos for the past 3 days, yung Good Friday, Black Saturday, tsaka Easter Sunday, nandun kami sa Harrison. So paikot-ikot na kami sa Harrison. Nagpunta kami sa Harrison Lake, dun sa hot spring. Tapos nagpunta kami sa Harrison Tulip Festival. And then after that, merong maliit na Shrine of Santo Niño sa Agassiz na malapit sa Harrison. So pinuntahan ko rin yon. So gusto kong i-share sa inyo yung mga video clips ng ginawa naming bakasyon nung Holy Week. So ito siya guys, I hope mag-enjoy kayo.
Abby gave me this. She tricked me.
It's okay.
No.
Hi. Hello.
Hello.
Randy, our coach.
Our Lady of
Mount Carmel.
Mount Carmel.
Mount Carmel. Say hi. Lalagyan ako ng ano. That's weird. So weird. So, there you go guys! Natapos na yung aming Stations of the Cross. Ay, pagod lahat ng grupo namin. Gusto nyo makita? Pagod much?
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I missed. I know that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it. wish I knew.
Hi guys! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Harrison Tulip Festival. So, halika, tignan natin yung area.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The glass so loud as the
So as you can see, may mga food court din dito, nasa likod namin. So ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga food court para pag pumunta kayo dito, meron din kayo makakainan.
wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout.
So nandito ko tayo ngayon sa Agassiz, Harrison. Malapit siya sa Harrison Lake. Nandito yung papakita ko sa inyo. Nandito tayo ngayon sa St. Anthony of Padua Catholic Church. Tapos sa bandang looban, nandyan din ang Archdiocesan Shrine of Santo Niño de Cebu. Mas maganda yung view ng mountain dito. Mas malapit siya. Ayan, pasok tayo sa loob ng St. Anthony de Padua Church. Maganda siya. Maganda siya. Since first time nating pumunta dito sa church, mag-knock tayo sa poste ng 3 times tsaka mag-request tayo or mag-wish tayo. Ang laki mga chess pieces nito. Ayan o. Archdiocese of Santo Niño. Archdiocese of Vancouver Shrine of Santo Niño de Cebu. So, galing ata na Cebu tong Santo Niño na to eh. Ayan yung shrine. Tingnan natin kung ano nasa loob. So maliit lang siya. Filipino saints, di ba? Si San Lorenzo Ruiz. Hindi, yun nata si San Lorenzo Ruiz. Ito si Pedro, si Pedro Calungsod nga, yun o. Pedro Calungsod. Si San Lorenzo Ruiz. Tapos, ayun yung Santo Niño. So, ito yung So, there you go guys. I hope nag-enjoy kayo dun sa mga video na pinakita ko sa inyo. And if you don't mind, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, click the notification bell, and drop na rin your comments kasi gusto ko babasa yung mga comments nyo. Hanggang sa susunod guys, maraming salamat po. Bye!